So we are live at the night spot. This is what's going down. It's all these cars. It's finna be fucking chaos out here. I don't know what's gonna happen. Why are the start finish flags so close? Look at all this. I don't even know where we go. Nico, where we going, sir?
And you kind of like dive back, like, you know. Alright.
Wait, what?
Alright, this is 2 for you.
Stay on F4. You're in heat 2. We're channel buddies. So you're in heat 2. I'm in heat 1. I'm on F4. He's on R7 too, I think. Yeah.
Everybody should be good on their channel.
Right. Nice. So, with that being said, we're gonna get out here. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. We're gonna see what's happening. Alright? It's gonna be a night.
Hit the brakes, no gas. You don't really want no trouble. You can hate, get mad, but you don't really want no smoke. But you don't really want no smoke. You don't really want none.
Okay, so at the night spot. So now what happened is we are in the dumpster. We are searching for Limon's quad. This is what we're doing. This is what happens.
I can hear it.
Yeah. This is what happens. This is what goes on in FPV drone flying. Look. But it's a very nice soft landing though.
Look at this bullshit.
Oh yeah.
All this roof.
Nice. So, and the sprinklers are on, which sucks right now. So.
Dame la ciencia.
Well, that was last pack. Got the new dive. Not bad. Good.
Last pack, nothing happened. And we called it's a last pack, and nothing happened.
And we called it. He called it, not me.
Yeah.
Good day. Good day. Good day tonight. Good day.